back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, so no jewelry video today. However, we have a mystery box, a free mystery box. So if you watch for that, that's good. Thumbs up, NameBran, or well, Shadow Band brand, we call ourselves now. Thumbs up, comments apparently help, so do that. Also, NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. It's free. 2 things for the price of 1 shipping. Buy now. Spend money on my website. Yeah, go check it out. We're adding new stuff to the website actually, so go see what's new. Alright boys, so like I said, no jewelry because apparently my stuff I think is held up at the border again. Don't piss off the border people. That's just coming from me, bro. What we do have, because I'm not just gonna not make a video if we don't have jewelry to unbox, right? I still like to talk to you guys. This is therapy to me, and something about a couple thousand people looking at me and watching gets me hard. So I don't know if I could say that anymore. No, just appreciate you guys for sticking along during this process of, oh my god, his channel is dead. You know, I don't really care. We're making money other ways. It's just fun. So anyway, we're unboxing, like I say, free mystery box. Clickbaity maybe. My girl actually, I'm looking at the package right here. That's why I keep going off camera. My girl got me some clothing. Now I thought this would be fun because I don't know what it is. She actually never buys me clothing, but apparently she was finding sales online. But we actually used to do clothing unboxings like 10 years ago on this channel. I thought, you know what, bro? Let's just unbox, see what my girl got me. I don't know if well, she knows my style. I like plain things, really. So we'll just see if she like killed it or not, and what she got. I know it's not Supreme, which is pretty much what I wear, or just blank t-shirts, because I'm cool like that. I'm pretty chill. I gotta stop wearing Supreme, bro. Anyway, let's look at this clothing mystery unboxing and see if my girl up or not, huh? She's actually out of town right now. She's a nurse, so she goes up north sometimes, gets like double the money. So I don't know if I'm supposed to be unboxing this. This might actually be for Valentine's, so we're just not gonna tell her. I'll probably just wrap it back up or something if I don't know what I'm gonna do. Actually, can't rewrap this. Alright boys, package engaged. I don't even know where this thing's from. It says style delivered, less style S there. Oh, that's French. I was like, what the f does that mean? Boys, this is actually a test too. Can you watch NameBran videos even when I'm unboxing clothing from my wife? You know what I mean? If this gets like thumbs up and stuff, we're winning. You know what I mean? That means whatever I do, whether I'm shoving dog shit in my mouth or unboxing stuff like this, you still watch, you know? And this is a test. Okay, let's go. Boys, I'm pretty stoked. I'm actually, now that it's open, it's becoming real that this was probably going to be a Valentine's gift, but it is what it is, you know? I'll just say I accidentally opened it. Sick! Okay, so this is a cool color. She actually knows I like this color. It looks like a plain shirt, boys. I was kind of hoping it'd be something like that we could show another plain shirt. I'll try these on for you guys too. How's that sound? Another plain shirt. So if these look good, I get a lot of questions of like, NameBran, where do you get all your plain clothing? Because it fits so nice on you and you look jacked every time. Is kind of somewhere around the lines of what you guys, you don't say that at all, but you probably should start. Cool. Now I'm thinking in my head, where's this video going, bro? Let's try on this blue one first, man. I like blue. This is actually my favorite color of blue. It brings up my beautiful eyes. Bro, what the f? So it's like a gym shirt. I don't think that's gonna fit me, Sarah. That's not gonna fit me at all. How much was this? Can you return it once you open it? F Dude, she got me like, oh god. It's a medium? Okay, maybe it'll fit. It's probably one of those flexible. Okay, let's try it on. Boys, cool, they're free clothing. Yeah, this whole thing's starting to feel like a f***ing troll now, boys. I think it's not for me. It doesn't fit. I don't know what to do now. Oh god. F Hold on. I had to get out of that quick, bro. I think I'm just unboxing her stuff at this point. Another one. Bro, is this one bigger? It's the same size. Now I'm unboxing her stuff, which I'm gonna get in trouble for. I think that's illegal, actually, unboxing other people's mail. Imagine if she reported me. She might even, bro. You don't want to mess with her too much. Oh, God. Okay, well, that's that. Wait, hold up for a second. We're missing the point. Where the f is my clothing? She said she was getting me stuff. Now I'm sounding like a baby, but I'm kind of pissed. I was thinking, like, I'm going out to a nice dinner tonight. I thought I'd have a nice freaking shirt. I'm gonna get on the phone with her and complain. It's too much at this point. I might even break up. You know, I still always put up these videos where I just massively F up. I just always have, because I think that's funny. And it's better than no video. But I'm really contemplating putting this one up. I'm not gonna lie. You just clicked on a video to see me put on some shirt that doesn't fit. You saw my belly button hole, which I cleaned. You always know somebody's lying when they try to explain something they don't need to explain. Okay, so, yeah. That's a fail. New jewelry video coming soon once the Border Patrol gets off my ass! Shoot, I'm sorry, guys. Mystery box, we'll rate it, 2 out of 10. My bad. Well, that's it, though. I mean,